Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to set the video quality to 720 or higher. Today, I will show you how to create a dashboard with a responsive design. Launch the Stimulsoft Designer. First, you need to create a new dashboard. For example, add a list box element. Set the selection mode to multi and enable all values. Add a chart showing population statistics for the New York by borough. Add an indicator, define the text format and select an icon. Create 3 copies of the indicator. Resize the dashboard elements. Apply styles to the dashboard elements if needed. Each indicator will display detailed statistics per year. Click Preview to show the dashboard. Select values in the list box. The dashboard will then display a relevant statistic. You can use Stimulsoft Cloud to easily share your dashboard. Click the Share button, enter a template name and choose the access level. For example, set the access to public, copy the link and click the Save button. Open the copied URL in a web browser. The dashboard will appear in the web browser. By default, the dashboard stretches to fill the entire viewer area. Enable responsive mode in a web browser to simulate viewing on a mobile device. As you can see, when the viewer's height and width change, the dashboard scales accordingly. However, the elements are scaled down proportionally, which can result in a loss of information, clarity, even misinterpretation of the dashboard and its metrics. This is not a proper responsive design. To create the responsive design, you need to add a mobile version of the dashboard. Go to the Page tab and click the Mobile button. Select the metrics to be included in the mobile version of the dashboard. Adjust the size and order of the elements. Now the dashboard has both desktop and mobile designs. Save the changes and reload the dashboard link in the browser. As you can see, the dashboard now supports responsive design. You can configure responsiveness using the device width property. This property defines the maximum width in pixels at which the mobile design will be applied. For example, set the device width to 520 pixels. Save the changes and reload the dashboard link in the browser. Now the mobile version of the dashboard will be used when the viewer width is 520 pixels or less. Otherwise, the desktop version will be displayed. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.